Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make a histogram in Microsoft Excel. So very simple and easy way you can create this graph and this chart, histogram chart in Excel. Firstly you need some example data. So I have this example data to create histogram. So select cells, cut and click on this option, this down arrow. Then click on all chart and just select here histogram. Click on OK. So here you can see the range. Here you can change the title. You can change size for this histogram. Once you double click on it, so this in property, you can make changes as you need. So we can see 90 to 31 age, there are about 11%, 31 to 43 8%, and 43 to 55 is 6%. If you have some more changes, if you customize here, so you will see it will reflect here. Like this. And there are some more options, and change color, style, layout, and once click here, then you can change style. Then select data from other sheet if you have. So data, like I want to select from here and press enter and click on OK. So this is the way guys, this is the basic video to learn how to insert histogram in Excel. Thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you or not.